Most people think you need third-party software to clean your PC, apps like Cleaner, advanced optimizers, all that stuff. But what if I told you Microsoft already built a free tool that does almost everything? In this video, I'm going to show you Microsoft PC Manager. It's an official app from Microsoft that lets you clean junk files, manage startup apps, remove leftover files, and even monitor your system performance, all without installing anything sketchy. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go step by step. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for PC Manager. Make sure the publisher says Microsoft Corporation. That confirms it's the official app. If you don't see it, here's a quick fix. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, and temporarily change your region to United States. After that, check the store again and you should find it. Install it. It takes less than a minute. After installing, just open it. Now here's the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see your memory usage and temporary files. This gives you a quick idea of how your system is doing. Right in the center, there's a big boost button. This is the one-click cleanup. When you press it, it does two things. It clears temporary files and frees up storage, and it also stops background processes that are using RAM. Yes, you can do all of this manually, but instead of going into multiple settings in Task Manager, this just does it instantly. There's also something called Smart Boost. You can enable it in settings, and it will automatically clean your system when memory usage gets high or junk files pile up. Now, just to be real with you, if you're using a high-end system with lots of RAM, you probably won't notice a big difference. But on mid-range or older systems, this can actually help. Now let's talk about the health check feature, because this is where a lot of people make mistakes. When you click Health Check, PC Manager scans your system and shows a list of recommended actions. These usually include things like cleaning temporary files, disabling startup apps, removing usage traces, and sometimes resetting system settings. When you click Optimize now, it looks like a simple Fix Everything button. But you should not just click Proceed without checking. Some of these suggestions are genuinely useful. For example, cleaning temporary files or clearing usage traces is completely safe and can free up space. But other suggestions are more about Microsoft pushing its own defaults. For example, you might see an option to restore default settings. That can reset your browser back to Microsoft Edge or change your default apps. If you're already using Chrome or another browser, you probably don't want that. Run the scan, then go through each item one by one. Keep the cleanup options enabled, but review anything related to default settings or system changes before applying it. Now let's move to the most important part, deep cleanup. This is where you can free serious space. Run the scan and you'll see categories like app cache, system files, browser data, and more. On most systems, especially if you haven't cleaned in a while, you can easily recover 10 to 20 gigabytes here. Things like browser cache, Windows Update files, and temporary files are safe to delete, but always double-check anything that looks like personal files or downloads. Don't just delete everything blindly. Next is the Process tab. This shows all running apps sorted by memory usage. It's basically a simplified task manager. If something is using too much RAM, you can end it from here. Then we have Startup. This is where you control what apps launch when your PC starts. The more apps you disable here, the faster your system boots. PC Manager even gives suggestions, which is helpful if you're not sure what to disable. Still, use your own judgment. Now go to the Protection tab. This brings together different security tools like Windows Defender Scan, update checks, and basic system fixes. Instead of opening multiple menus, you get everything in one place. Now go to Storage. This section is actually very powerful. You can scan your Downloads folder and find files you forgot about. You can detect large files taking up space. And there's a duplicate file scanner, which helps remove extra copies of files. Just be careful with duplicates. If you intentionally keep backups, don't delete those. Next, the Apps section. Normally, when you uninstall a program, it leaves behind files and registry entries. Over time, that builds up. Deep uninstall removes everything including leftover data. If you install and uninstall software often, then this feature alone is worth using. It has a lot of other AI tools, so overall, Microsoft PC Manager is actually a solid tool. It's free, it's official, and it replaces a lot of third-party cleanup apps people usually install. Treat it like magic. It won't turn a slow PC into a supercomputer, but it will help keep your system clean and organized. If this helped, then like the video and let me know how much storage you cleared. I'm always curious to see real numbers, and if you like practical Windows tips like this, there's more coming, so make sure to subscribe.